This video explains the PII-based Universal ID Graph. Data-driven advertising in the open web used to work on the basis of third-party cookies. The third-party cookie allowed the ecosystem to collect and match data on users, like interests or clicks, and use that data to deliver targeted ads to the user. So, matching of third-party cookies was the sole enabler for the open web advertising space and is no longer available, meaning the publisher can no longer provide data to the advertiser, which results in the end of targeted ads, and with that, loss of revenue. Without a solution for the open web, it leaves the big marketplaces like Facebook, Google, and so on as the only players that could provide data-driven advertising, which provides more control over advertisers and a greater share of digital marketing revenues. If the advertising industry does not want to completely rely on targeting through the walled gardens, they need to develop alternative solutions. One solution for this problem is the usage of PII-based universal identity graphs. The concept of a PII identity graph is to identify the user on the publisher page with authentication. In most cases, email addresses are used as this identifier. If the advertiser has access to the same ID, or an ID graph linking the provided ID to their proprietary identifier, it allows targeting in open web based on the authenticated identity, only if the specific piece of PII is available on both the advertiser's and the publisher's side. For example, due to a login on the pages, or if at least two linked IDs are available, a PII-based identity graph can enable the targeting process through that PII. This puts the ID graph providers in a similar power position as marketplaces, but without having a direct relationship to the users.